Ladies and gentlemen, this must be a queen bee and a wasp doing their due. I'm trying to get right up on them here so you can see them. And this is live from D Love 53 27414. Down with it. That got to be a queen wasp messing with a amateur. I guess it's mating season in this cold winter we're having right now. Wow, she is a big bee. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I caught this out the corner of my eye so I can get a closer. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful, ladies and gentlemen? Bees gotta get theirs too. You should have seen it. I tried to catch it as he was getting in. It was a struggle, but he made it. Once he got in, he got paralyzed some kind of way. And now they're just starting to move around. I guess they hear me talking. I hate to disturb them, but I really want to get a good shot of this. This is how bees communicate. Now she's dragging them up. Wow, ain't she big? She's just taking him up the tree. Look at him, he's getting it in. This is Mother Nature, you guys. I'm real bold doing this. I am seriously allergic to bees. I don't know if she's trying to shake him. I guess they're finishing up. Or she's telling him, no, no more. No more. This is so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. So this is what brings wasps to our fields. I guess he's releasing himself. I hope I don't get stung because of this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm doing this just for you guys to know how Mother Nature truly works. It looks like he's trying to fly, but he can't really get off of her. It's almost like they're stuck. I'm probably scaring them, that's why they're moving around. First they was just doing the do. But look how big she is and look how little he is. He is like paralyzed to that poo nanny. He is paralyzed. Let me get a closer examination. This is so beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Two bees having fun. Is she trying to release him? I'm supposed to be on my way to the food bank because I'm out of food right now in my household, but this just caught my eye, and he's gone. So let's see what she goes into now that her mate has just flown away. She just got hers. Is she gonna lay eggs? Is she about to fly away? If she's looking for a nest to build, let's see if we can find out what this wonderful event turns out to be. She's steadily climbing. Wow, she is beautiful. She took that. That bee got his and bounced. She may not ever see him again, but he definitely fertilized her. Ooh. And she's gone. Ladies and gentlemen, that was my post of the day. That changed my day's view. I missed a whole entire food bank appointment. If you can, look out for me. My name is D-Love. I'm in the South End. Hit me up. I love you. Have a wonderful, great day. It's cold outside. That's why I'm tear dry and I got allergies. Thank you. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this video.